Natural disasters. A natural disaster is a major adverse event resulting from natural processes of the earth. Most natural disasters cause destruction of life and property. Earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden rapid shaking of the earth's surface caused by the movements or vibrations within the earth. The uppermost layer of earth is called crust. Crust is made up of rocks. These rocks are in the form of plates called tectonic plates. These plates float on the mantle, the molten magma layer of the earth. These tectonic plates keep on moving and slowly past one another. The places where these plates meet cause cracks in the earth's crust called faults. Earthquakes often happen when these plates along the faults move in different directions. These shifting plates create energy in the form of vibrations called seismic waves. These waves move outwards just like the waves that are formed by a disturbance in a body of water, like the ripples in a river when you throw a pebble in it. The location below the Earth's surface where the earthquake starts is called the hypocenter, and the location directly above it on the surface of the Earth is called the epicenter. A seismograph is an instrument used for recording the intensity and duration of an earthquake. The strength or magnitude of an earthquake is measured by the Richter scale. The Richter scale has magnitude levels from 1 to 8. An earthquake causes destruction of life and property. It collapses the buildings, bridges, pipelines, roads, and dams. Many people lose their lives. It also causes landslides, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis. Volcano. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust through which hot gases and molten rocks are escaped from below the Earth's surface. Beneath the Earth's crust is a hot molten rock called magma. The magma collects under the crust in reservoirs called magma chamber. When the pressure in this chamber builds up, the magma is pushed through a vent, opening or crack in the Earth's crust. It comes out in the form of lava, ashes, and hot gases with great force on the Earth's surface. A volcano forms when hot gases, ashes, pieces of rocks, and lava erupt from the vent. A large hole at the top of the volcano is called a volcanic crater. When lava cools down, it forms mountains. Flowing lava destroys everything in its path. Hot gases and volcanic ashes are harmful for health. Lava also damages machines, engines, and electrical equipment. Types of volcanoes. Active volcanoes. These volcanoes erupt regularly. Mount Etna of Italy is an active volcano. Dormant volcanoes. These volcanoes have not erupted for many years, although there is still some activity deep inside. They may be erupting in future. Mount Kia in Hawaii is an example of a dormant volcano. Extinct volcanoes. These volcanoes are no longer active and are not expected to erupt again. Mount Pop in Myanmar is an example of an extinct volcano. Tsunami. Tsunami are giant waves that are caused due to undersea earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. Tsunami is a Japanese word which means harbor waves. These waves move at a very high speed and crush all objects in their path. As the big waves approach the shallow water along the coast, they rise to a great height and crash over the shore. They can be as high as 100 feet. Tsunamis have incredible energy because of the great volume of water which they carry along. A tsunami brings waves of destruction which are capable of killing thousands of residents along the coasts. Hurricane, typhoon, cyclone. It is a type of tropical strong storm with fast spinning winds near the Earth's surface. It is known by different names at different places. In North Indian Ocean and over Bay of Bengal, it is known as cyclone. In Japan, it is known as typhoon. In southern US, it is known as hurricane. Flood and drought. Flood is caused by overflowing of water that submerges the surrounding areas. This is caused when there is large amount of rainfall in short period of time. It leads to destruction of life, loss of farms, crops, and livestock. Drought happens when there is no rainfall for a long time. Due to drought, the land becomes dry, streams and rivers dry up, plants and animals die. There is an acute shortage of food supply.